Good day, friends. Today we want to continue our class on ecology. We want to really start our class on ecology with the following question on the board. But before I start, don't forget, the best place to be in the next jam classes or WAEC classes is Dreams Tutorial Center. We are physically located at 4 OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. If you think that the distance is far, you want to connect with us online, our number is displayed on the screen. We are at your beck and call. Don't forget that we also have our YouTube channel, IKORODU, and our Facebook page, IKORODU. Let's get started. We have which of the following ecological factors are common to both terrestrial and aquatic habitats. We have rainfall, temperature, light and wind. We have salinity, rainfall, temperature and light. We have tide, wind, rainfall and altitude, pH, salinity, rainfall and humidity. Before we can solve this question, because this is a question on ecology. Ecology simply means the study of plant and animal in relation with their environment. And ecology is derived from the word oikos, meaning dwelling place, So let's solve this question. We are told that terrestrial and aquatic habitat, which of the following ecological factors are common to both terrestrial and aquatic habitat? This question, what is terrestrial? Terrestrial means land, animals that live on land or plants that live on land. Aquatic habitat means you are talking about water. So let's see the factors that affect them together. Let's start from the last one. pH means potentials of hydrogen. Potentials of hydrogen mostly affect aquatic habitats. So we talk about salinity, mostly affects aquatic habitat. So that makes option D here to be wrong because it doesn't affect terrestrial. Let's look at tides. Tides only affect aquatic habitats. That means water. So this does not hold. Let's talk about the option B. Salinity mostly affect aquatic. Let's look at option A. We have rainfall. Rainfall affects both terrestrial and aquatic. When we talk about temperature, it affects both terrestrial and aquatic. Animals that live both on land and in water. Light affects both aquatic and terrestrial. And we have wind. Wind affects both aquatic and terrestrial. So that makes option A to be our right answer. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page, IKORODU. See you in my next video. Bye.